I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for STEAM Explorations we are going to be making a blow-up chicken. So in your craft packet you will have 4 feathers, a glove, some red pieces, a straw, some googly eyes, a cup with a hole in it, a rubber band. Now, first of all, we're just going to cut these pieces out. Once we have the pieces cut out, you can use a glue stick or tape, and we're going to start making our glove into a chicken. So first, we're going to take our little headpiece and we're going to glue that onto the thumb, the top of the thumb on our glove, or tape it, either way. Then we have our little beak that we will also glue or tape onto the thumb, a little bit below our head frill. And then our googly eyes can go also on the thumb, kind of in between the two. Now you can just use one, or you can put an eye on the other side as well. It's up to you if you want to do 1 or 2 eyes. Then for each of our feathers, we're going to put 1 feather on each of the remaining fingers of the glove. So you can use glue or tape once again. And we're just going to put 1 on each finger. And you can do whatever order you would like. Right, here's our upside down chicken. Now, for the extra fun part. We're going to put our chicken onto our cup. And you can do this so that the chicken faces you or faces away from you, but you want whichever side the hole is on to face you. So we're going to stick our cup into the bottom of the glove, and then you're going to use your rubber band to secure the glove around the cup. Now, we want the rubber band to be above the hole in the cup. So we're going to push it up to the top and then pull the glove up a little bit so that you can access the hole here. And that is where our straw is going to go. So you may have to bend the straw a little bit to get it in to the hole initially, but then once it's in, it should be perfectly fine. Then we blow up our chicken. Now, you might want to hold on with 1 finger at least to the back or the glove somewhere to keep it from flying off, because even with the rubber band, the glove is pretty slippery and so it can just fly off. Or you can make your chicken fly if you want to. But you can blow it up and then you can just press it back down, or you can suck the air back out and pull them kind of into the cup, and then there it goes again. And I'll show you how I can fly off the cup too. So now I'm not holding on. And there he went flying. So that is our craft for STEAM explorations, playing with the power of your breath. air-powered chicken. I'd love to see pictures of your chickens if you'd like to share them in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again next week for another craft. Bye!